Hey everybody, today we're actually doing the third brake change. I bought these from Amazon. We're gonna remove the one that's on there. We're gonna put this one on. It's a nice LED one we just got, so I'm gonna install it. I'm guessing it's only 2 bolts it takes. I'm gonna check it out here. The one we're gonna remove. It's got 2 bolts. Pretty easy to swap them out. First one. That's the second one. Okay. Okay. And then you just pop these out. Let me check. Okay. There you go. Now you just remove these. Okay. There you have it. It's all removed. All we're gonna do now is clean the outer seal and put the new one on. Alright guys, I'm back now. All you gotta do, like I said, remove that, and then you have to connect, remove this, the plug-in, and then this one is actually from Amazon where I bought the new one, and all you gotta do is just plug it in to the adapter already. It doesn't have lights, it's LED, and then it comes with this piece here. So you guys can see this one. It's like a 3M. It's like basically like tape. Now you got to do is just put it on there. You guys can see. Check, zooming in and zooming out. So yeah. So basically, you just put it on there. I already have it plugged in. You can just put it here on the side. Actually, like this. And then you can just put the 2 bolts. Alright guys, I'm back now. As you can see, I have it mounted. All you gotta do is remove this plug-in and connect the new one. You guys can see. And all you gotta do now is just and then you have to put this attachment, this rubber piece, like a sticky part. It's like a glue type of like tape. All you gotta do is put it together and you're good to go. Let me check here. And then you just put this back, put the 2 screws, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Well, here's the final process. We put the 2 bolts already, the 2 screws, they're on there. You guys can see we went from this to this LED. We'll do a night shot, see how it looks at night, but easy to change out, and it looks way different than this. So that's how you change the third brake light on a 2000 Dodge Ram 2500.